This is Mrs. Halley with 8th grade lesson 4.1, and we're going to be looking at finding unit rate. Now this is a review lesson. We did go over this in 7th grade, but there's two new things that I'm going to show you. So our goal for today is I can find the unit rate of a situation. Oh, and we're not going to be comparing unit rates to find the better by. You should be able to do that. Oh, that's just not going to work. You should be able to do that already. We're just going to be looking at unit rates. Now you need to know some terms. Ratio, remember, is a relationship between quantities. And a rate is a ratio when you've got two terms in different units. And that's what we're looking at. We're looking at a comparison of two numbers where they're measured in different units. And the unit rate is a rate where the first quantity relates to one unit of the second type of quantity. Or essentially, it's when your denominator equals 1. Also remember the term per means for one. That's going to come up a couple times. So here is example 1. You can go 210 miles in 3 hours. Now to find the unit rate, what we do is we just take the first term divided by the second. Oops. So 210 divided by 3 gives me 70 miles per hour. That means 70 miles in 1 hour. So that's my unit rate. Here's another one. Rachel can type 500 words in 20 minutes. Again, I'm going to take my x value, my y value. This is my dependent variable, 500 words. This is my independent variable, the 20 minutes. 500 divided by 20 is going to give me 25 words per minute. So we're also going to be looking at some tables and some graphs. So here's a table where I have x and y. Now we always take y over x. Okay, y always goes over x. So I'm going to take 3 divided by 2, which gives me 1.5. I can also do 6 divided by 4, which equals 1.5. 12 divided by 8, 14 divided by 12. These should all come out to equal 1.5. So here's my last one. You can see I've got weight in pounds and bags. I'm going to take my y, my dependent variable, divided by x, my independent. So I can just take any of these points. So here at this point, it's 120 divided by 4. That is 30 pounds per bag. But the easy thing, if you have a graph like this that goes through the point 0, 0, remember unit rate is 1 unit of the second type. So look at the amount for 1. 1 bag, 30 pounds. So 1 bag is 30 pounds, it's 30 pounds per bag. So with a graph, as long as it goes through 0, 0, we can just use the point where x equals 1. If x equals 1, y equals 30. You can also see as x increases by 1, y increases by 30. So we're going to work on this some tomorrow. Come with questions.